2025 is here, and the real estate market is buzzing with questions. Are mortgage rates finally about to drop? Will 2025 be the year to buy, sell, or sit tight? Let's uncover what the experts are saying and what it all means for you. Hi, I'm Nital, a licensed real estate agent with Keller Williams Atlanta Partners in North Georgia, license number 442664. I specialize in helping clients find income-producing properties, rental investments, and smart real estate opportunities. Welcome to the Real Estate Compass, where we make navigating the real estate world exciting and straightforward. In today's video, we're diving into mortgage rate predictions for January 2025, what's driving these rates, what experts are forecasting, and how it could shape your buying, selling, or investing plans this year. Stay tuned to the end for some key takeaways that could save you money or help you make smarter real estate moves. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Real Estate Compass for more updates, insights, and advice. And if you have questions about buying, selling, or investing in Georgia real estate, drop them in the comments or click the link below. I'd love to help. Now let's dive in. 1. Understanding mortgage rates. Why they matter more than ever. Let's kick things off with the basics. Mortgage rates aren't just numbers. They're the heartbeat of the real estate market. These rates dictate how much you'll pay monthly for your home and determine what you can afford. Whether you're a first-time buyer, seasoned investor, or homeowner weighing a sale, knowing where rates are headed is key. So, what's the current vibe? As of January 2025, industry experts are forecasting mortgage rates to hover around 6.83%, with a range between 6.65% and 7.07%. It's not a dramatic drop, but after the roller coaster of the past few years, even a slight dip feels like a win, right? Last year, I worked with a client who felt stuck. High rates, low inventory, and mounting frustration. But we dug deeper, explored creative financing options, and ended up closing on an incredible income-producing property. That experience reminded me, it's not just about the rates, it's about having the right strategy. 2. What's driving mortgage rates in 2025? Okay, so why are rates where they are, and where might they go? Let's break it down. Inflation is cooling, slowly. You've probably heard a lot about inflation in the past year. The good news? It's stabilizing. Experts say that as inflation continues to ease, lenders may feel more comfortable reducing rates further. The Fed is watching closely. The Federal Reserve has been playing referee, raising and lowering interest rates to keep the economy balanced. If inflation behaves, we might see the Fed pump the brakes on future hikes, which could trickle down to mortgage rates. Global events and market stability. Let's not forget the wild cards. Economic shifts, geopolitical tensions, and even unexpected global events can impact rates. Remember 2020? Enough said. Housing inventory, the lock-in effect. Here's a big one. Many homeowners are sitting tight, unwilling to give up their ultra-low mortgage rates from the pandemic years. This lock-in effect is keeping inventory low and prices high, even as rates begin to ease. 3. What the experts are saying. So, what's the buzz from industry leaders? Fannie Mae predicts mortgage rates could dip below 6% by mid-2025 if inflation continues to stabilize. The Mortgage Bankers Association, MBA, expects rates to hover between 6.4% and 6.6% in early 2025. Other analysts, like those at Realtor.com, are cautiously optimistic, forecasting a modest decline to around 6.2% to 6.3% by year-end. While these predictions are encouraging, remember, they're just predictions. The market has a way of surprising us. For what does this mean for buyers, sellers, and investors? Let's talk strategy. For buyers, if you've been waiting for rates to drop, now might be your moment. Even a small decrease in rates can significantly impact your monthly payment. And if you're worried about affordability, consider exploring adjustable rate mortgages, ARMs, or creative financing options. For sellers, thinking about listing your home, lower rates could bring more buyers into the market, increasing competition for your property. But keep in mind, the low inventory trend means you'll likely get solid offers if your home is priced right. For investors, this is where it gets exciting. Lower rates mean better cash flow for rental properties and income-producing investments. With Georgia's growing population and demand for rentals, the opportunities are endless. 5. My take on 2025's real estate market. Here's my honest opinion. 2025 is shaping up to be a year of cautious optimism. Rates may not drop dramatically, but even slight improvements could create opportunities for buyers, sellers, and investors. The key is staying informed and being ready to act when the timing feels right. As your real estate guide, my goal is to help you navigate these shifts with confidence. Whether you're looking to buy your first home, sell your current one, or dive into investment properties, I'm here to help you make the most of the market. Imagine this. You're standing at the edge of the real estate market, trying to figure out if you should leap in or wait it out. Will 2025 finally be the year that home prices fall? Or will buyers still be stuck in the holding pattern we've seen over the past few years? Today, we're breaking it all down. Expert predictions, mortgage trends, and what it all means for you as a buyer, seller, or investor. Let's get into it. Again, I'm Nai Tao, a licensed real estate agent with Keller Williams Atlanta Partners in North Georgia, license number 442664. Here at the Real Estate Compass, I specialize in guiding my clients to find income-producing properties, rental investments, and the best real estate opportunities on the market. If you're into smart real estate moves, and who isn't, hit that subscribe button and join me for weekly insights to help you navigate the ever-changing market. In today's video, we're exploring what the experts are saying about house prices in 2025. Will they drop? Will they rise? And how does this all play out for buyers, sellers, and investors? Stick around because we got a lot to unpack. The current real estate climate. A story. Let's rewind a bit. Remember the pandemic real estate frenzy? Homes were flying off the market faster than you could say pre-approval, and prices skyrocketed. Fast forward to now. Buyers and sellers are stuck in a game of who's going to blink first. Sellers are holding on to their low mortgage rates, while buyers are sidelined by high home prices and interest rates. As of late 2024, the average U.S. home price is around $430,000, according to Redfin, a 5.4% increase from last year. Meanwhile, Zillow pegs the typical home value at $357,469, up 2.5%. While the appreciation has slowed, affordability remains a huge challenge. So what's next? Expert predictions for 2025. Here's what the pros are forecasting for 2025. Slowing price appreciation. Experts agree that house prices will rise, but at a much slower pace. Moody's Analytics predicts home prices will increase by 1% to 1.5%, while Redfin is slightly more pessimistic, expecting a 4% rise. More inventory. Economists like Matthew Walsh from Moody's believe we'll see more homes hit the market as sellers come to terms with higher mortgage rates. At the same time, new construction projects delayed during the pandemic are finally coming online, helping to ease the inventory crunch. Mortgage rates. This is the big wild card. Zillow predicts mortgage rates may dip slightly, but are unlikely to fall below 6%. Redfin is betting on an average of 6.8% for 2025, which is still steep for many buyers. The mortgage rate puzzle. A closer look. Let's talk about those mortgage rates. They're like that unpredictable relative at family dinners. You never quite know what they'll do next. Rates soared to near 7% in 2023 and 2024, keeping many buyers on the sidelines. While there's hope that rates could ease slightly in 2025, don't expect a dramatic drop. Here's why. The Fed's role. The Federal Reserve has been cautiously navigating inflation. If inflation stabilizes, we might see slight rate cuts, but nothing too drastic. Economic uncertainty, global events, geopolitical tensions, or even shifts in employment rates could throw a wrench in the works. Bottom line? If you're waiting for sub-5% rates, you might be waiting for a while. Renters take the spotlight. With high home prices and interest rates, renting might remain the go-to option for many in 2025. The good news? Renters could see relief as new rental units, built during the pandemic, finally hit the market. Redfin predicts a renter's market, with landlords offering concessions to attract tenants. But what about buyers who dream of homeownership? For first-time buyers, affordability remains a huge hurdle. As one expert put it, wages would need to rise by 70%, or home prices would need to drop by 40% to restore 2019 affordability levels. Neither scenario seems likely in the short term. For sellers and investors, if you're a seller, you might be wondering, should I list my home in 2025? The answer depends on your goals. While demand is still there, high prices and interest rates mean buyers are more selective. Pricing your home competitively will be key. Investors, on the other hand, might find opportunities in a cooling market. With mortgage rates stabilizing and rental demand strong, 2025 could be the year to scoop up income-producing properties. Looking ahead, the 2025 real estate market is shaping up to be a mixed bag. On one hand, slowing price growth and stabilizing mortgage rates could create opportunities for patient buyers. On the other, affordability challenges will continue to limit who can participate in the market. As always, staying informed is your best strategy. Whether you're buying, selling, or investing, understanding the trends can help you make smarter decisions. Again, thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of the Real Estate Compass. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more real estate insights. Got questions about buying, selling, or investing? Feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to help you navigate the market. And remember, whether the market is hot, cold, or somewhere in between, there's always a smart move to be made. See you in the next video.